everybody, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by, reporting live from Walla Walla, Washington. Today at work I went ahead and was working on cutting in a box, and this is a little bit different because the walls are lined with lead, so I had to cut through a lead lined wall. But I was interrupted before I could finish that to do an emergency project. This is what it looks like when it was done, but basically I just cut into this wall, added these two quad receptacles right here for the emergency department, right when they walk on the door, for stroke patients, so they can plug in their beds and stuff like that immediately to immediately work on people's strokes to help decrease or increase brain function and all that stuff to get them better as soon as possible so they don't lose brain function and stuff like that. So I cut my holes and then stuck my phone through the wall. And a nice trick is to go into video mode with your flashlight on and record a video, then play it back so you can see. And I saw the stud bay next door was clean, so I knew that I could cut another hole next door. And then I ran this MC. I kind of lost it in the wall. But this goes behind this column right here, which I was lucky enough to get a wire behind. Luckily, the column wasn't right against the sheetrock. So there's a column right there, and I went ahead and cut out my hole and ran the wire down the wall, and luckily I had enough wire to go into the junction box, which is where I worked before in that emergency department, the EMS entry. So I was very familiar with that box because I made it up. And that goes back to this panel right here, which is where me and Steven did a shutdown before. And we used a bunch of this power for the EMS entry where we were working. So I tied that into circuit 29, relabeled the panel, labeled the quad receptacles. So yeah, really nice day. Got everything taken care of, and everything went pretty smoothly, better than I thought, so I'm happy about that. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have an awesome weekend. Stay safe. Love you guys. Peace.